Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the first ever episode. I just sounded like someone I watch. Welcome to this first episode of a new series of SMP. This will be my first ever actual SMP episode I have. And I do have other YouTube friends, one that actually does play on this world, and he does control this. I will put up his YouTube in a second. Be right back. Here is his YouTube right here. So yeah, that's it. But back to the game. And as you can see, there's zombies outside. Although it's day. And I fell in a hole. Great. Oh, I killed one. As you can see by the achievement in the chat. I don't know if you can hear my mouse, but if you can, I'm very sorry. And this was a bad idea. Why are there so many? So finally. Get the dude we need in there still, right? Wait. Hey dude. Nah, I need to talk shit. You didn't hear me say anything. Yeah, villager. I feel ashamed. Okay, so basically in this series we're gonna me and my friend found. I was just looking out the window real quick. I'm sorry. Because my window. Oh, see that I can take a thought. That's why I want to protect them. Can you try to protect us? You can't. Oh, you're a sick villager. Harvester. Punch. Laughter. Shut. Ha 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 ha. He don't get in. There's a dude in there. I feel scared. Ah. See if there's anything. Now that would be a pretty good place to live, but no, there's zombies in there. As you know, I do not fight zombies, and my episodes are only gonna be like 15 minutes long because that's how long my thing goes for. So today we're gonna be trying. I don't need seeds. Ooh, cow. Do 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 do. That's gonna be my island. My island. My island. Yes, I do have an accent, and it's pretty weird, eh? Oh my god, is that offensive? Oh my god, Becky, is that offensive? I am really sick, so my voice is a little off. Sorry about that. That my voice is a little off. Now, I have never played on this. This is my first time ever playing on this world. Um, Apparently the other person who also plays on here is currently not on. See, as you can see, it's only me, myself, and I. Now, I do play other servers, and if you leave us... Why did my notifications have to go off? And if you have a server you want me to play on or anything on Minecraft, I will. I have many servers. I just got rid of other ones I don't play on, which are random ones I got off of the internet by a different YouTuber that was sponsoring the thing. I didn't like it. And if you play Simplex, which is something, don't search it because that server's a biatch. Oh, that looked like a giant dog when the sheep head was down. So many sheepies. I ship it. No, I sheep it. Oh, 7 minutes long. I don't got much time. Now, in this episode, I'm just gonna be chopping down trees, and I didn't realize I already been recording for 7 minutes. It tells me in the little screen thing. And yes, I do in fact have a texture pack on. It's starting to get late, so shall I? I shall. If I say for it, I'm just gonna do this. As I usually do. Shut the fuck up. I'm gonna try to make this some fun. Ooh, that looks like a sheepy. Look, 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 look. This is already 8 minutes. Yeah, my episodes are only gonna be 8 minutes long because, well, my thing doesn't know how to properly do it, and this might be bugging the fuck out of you, but I don't give a shit. Never mind. I'm gonna say bad words on this channel. So yeah, and none of my other family members know that I'm gonna be recording. So yeah, if you know me in real life, which you probably don't, because there's no one there but 11 people. Damn, I almost got as many subscribers as Pig Puncher. Now he does stream often. I do sometimes join his streams and watch his streams to see what's going on. We did have a oh, you see that creeper spawn? You saw that creeper spawn? Yeah, he's a bitch. Oh, what was that? My thing lagged. The shippies! Look at level. Oh, look at the moon. Look at the moon. Look at the moon. See, I'm sick. Sick of this nonsense. Oh, look at that shippy. Look at that shippy. Look at that shippy! Can I break a black, please? Can I break a glass? I break that. Oh, look, there's a sheepy. Sheepy. Oh, I only have like 5 more minutes. Nice. Oh, I probably have paused it while it was the night. Okay, I'm gonna do that now. Look at that, look at that, look, that's funny too. That's a spider. No, 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 no. I really gotta make a base now.